How to share your Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Wi-Fi password from your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the method 1, that is to share your Wi-Fi password using a QR code. But before we begin, ensure that your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later, and your friend's device should support QR code scanning, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or any other compatible device. So open the password app and simply tap on the Wi-Fi option, and after that simply select your Wi-Fi network. Now here simply tap on the option labeled Show Network QR Code to generate a scannable code. And after that, you also need to have a friend to open the camera app and scan the QR code. And when the Wi-Fi link appears, they just need to tap join and they are connected. And now with that, let's move forward to the method 2. That is to directly share your Wi-Fi password to another device. So if your friends has an iPhone, you can also share your password seamlessly. So first, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both devices. And if the personal hotspot is on, simply turn it off. And here ensure you and your friend have each other Apple account email saved in contacts. And now on the iPhone, have them to go settings and Wi-Fi and simply select the network. And after that, a notification will pop up on your iPhone. Just tap on share password to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can share your Wi-Fi password on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.